Hello viewers, today we are going to see about that Adme. What is meant by Adme? A for absorption, D for distribution, M for metabolism, and E for elimination of drugs. So coming to introduction, in absorption mainly the drug enter into the bloodstream. D for distribution, the drug reach the specific target tissue. M for metabolism, the drug is chemically altered and mainly in the liver. And E for elimination or excretion, the drug and metabolites are removed from the body mainly through the kidney. So this picture shows that the journey of tablet in the body. The first we can enter into the absorption, especially for the gut in blood, and second we'll move on to the distribution. That is, we can circulate all the body, especially in blood, to the tissue. And third, enter into the metabolism. The metabolism occur. We have two phases, phase one and phase two, especially for functionalization and conjugation reactions will be occur, especially in the liver organ. Finally, we can eliminate it or excretion in the kidney or bile. These are the journey of tablet in the body. That means Adme properties. The first one, absorption. What is meant by absorption? The process by which a drug enter the bloodstream from it is the site of administration. So here what are the factors affecting the absorption process? Namely, route of administration. We have several route of administrations, namely oral, intravenous, intramuscular, and subcutaneous, etc. Drug formulation, we have two types of formulation, single and double, as well as multiple. So we have the dosage, single dosage, and also dose and dose. Dose means only one time we can take, and dosage means prolonged taking the tablets or medicines. Second, the pH of the gastrointestinal tract, blood flow to the absorption site, surface area available for absorption, and finally, presence of food or other drugs. For examples, paracetamol is rapidly absorbed from the small intestine after, after oral administration. And second process, distribution. What is meant by distribution? The reversible movement of a drug from the bloodstream to body tissues and organs. So what are the factors will affecting distribution process of drug administration? So the first one, blood flow to the tissue, plasma protein binding, lipid solubility, tissue permeability, and volume of distribution. That is called VT. For example, diazepham is highly lipid soluble drug and distribute yes, extensively into the brain and adipose tissues. And third one, metabolism. The metabolism is otherwise known as biotransformation. So here the what are the definitions about biotransformations or drug metabolism? The chemical conservations of the drug into the metabolites primary in the liver organ to facilitate elimination process. So here we have two types of metabolism. One is phase 1 and second one phase 2. The phase 1 is otherwise known as functionalization reaction. So here we have three reactions will be occur. The first one oxidation, second one reduction, third one hydrolysis. These reactions mainly with the help of the enzyme cytochrome P450. And second, the process phase 2, it is known as conjugation. Here the glucoiodination, sulfonation, methylation, acetylation, glutathione S conjugation, and amino acid conjugations will be occur. Here, I say that we have both the polar and the non-polar compounds. The polar compounds means hydrophilic. It is a water loving. So the compounds will be or the drug will be dissolved into the water. And second one non-polar non-polar compounds, the namely water hurting, it not dissolve into the water. They have dissolve into the methanol, ethanol solvents. Especially they can dissolve into the solvent. Okay, so here both hydrophilic and hydrophobic, that is polar and non-polar compounds will be there. So here, so the phase 1 and phase 2, what purpose we can react it for that, especially the inactivated drugs or activated drugs. For example, I am saying that if we are taking the tablets two way. For examples, if you are uh, lonely or low level of hemoglobin level or anything else, we can boost the hemoglobin level. So that is activated. That purpose only we can take the tablets. Another one, inactivated of the drugs. If you are facing for too long disease or cancer or diabetes like that, we can suppress the genes. That is, we can inactivated of the cells. That is purpose we can take. Okay, both the drugs and products mostly water soluble metabolites for excretion. For example, codenine is metabolized to morphine by the cytochrome P2D6 enzymes. Okay, so the last process, it is a very very important process, elimination or excretion. So the main definitions about that, the removal of drugs and their metabolites from the body. So here, what are the way of or route of eliminations occur in our body? Like the first one, kidney, that is urine. So it is a primary route. And second one, it is a liver, bile or feces. And third one, lungs, it is a otile arthritis. And fourth one, sweating, saliva and breast milk. It is a minor route of elimination. So here, what are the factors will affecting for excretion part or elimination part? The renal function test, hepatic functions, urine pH, age, and drug interactions. For examples, gentamicin is primarily eliminated unchanged by the kidney. So here I say that overall Adme properties. The first one, absorption. So the absorption means the entry of drug into the systematic circulation, especially the main site gastrointestinal tract. And second one, distribution, the movement of drug from the blood to tissues. The primary site will be blood and body tissues. The third one, metabolism, chemical transformations of the drugs. We have two types, phase 1 and phase 2. The main site will be liver. And finally, the elimination, the removal of drugs and metabolites. It is the main primary site, kidney and mainly liver. So here I say that what are the pharmacokinetics reactions means Adme properties. So Adme properties means the first one, if you are taken the tablets, we can enter into the absorption. Second one, distribution. Third one, metabolism, and fourth one, excretion. These are the very very important process of drug pharmacokinetics reaction. So I hope you can understood. Thank you.